Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make some grilled chicken sandwich. So the ingredients are chicken thigh, cheese, bread, and eggs and tomato. So today we're gonna use the optigrill too. So we can put the chicken thigh in it. And my mom has seasoned it already, so yeah, it's gonna be so I don't have to do that. So like and subscribe for more content for cooking. So let's begin. So I'm gonna turn it on, the Tefal up the grill. Then I'm gonna put on my chicken thigh. The egg would be really great on the sandwich, so let's put that on it. So I'm gonna make some eggs. Gonna put it on the fire. Now just putting the oil in it and then the egg. Now some seasoning on it. Let me check out my chicken. It looks good. It looks done. Let me put it on the, oh, messed up. So I'm gonna put it on there. That's good, really good. And the eggs look really good. Now I'm gonna cut my tomatoes for the sandwich. Just a few, not too much. So my dad gave me this idea, but I'm gonna mix this together and it's gonna taste good, I know it. Some mayonnaise and some sriracha sauce. It's a little bit spicy. I'm gonna mix it together. So okay guys, I got my ingredients ready. Look at my ingredients. They're all really good. So try this at home. But we're gonna put first we're gonna turn this on. Then we're gonna yeah, but we're gonna put everything on the grill for juicy cheese bread sandwich. So yeah, let's wait. So I'm gonna put my sauce on my bread. So done. Then I'm gonna put my chicken on it. Then my egg. Then my tomatoes. Then I'm gonna put cheese on it. It's really good. Then I'm gonna put my bread on it. Then I'm gonna put it on the grill. And then, yeah. It's really good, like so good. I can see it in my eyes. So it's grilled well. The egg is grilled well too. And the meat too. So good. Look at it, just look at it. It's really good. Just try this at home, okay? A chicken sandwich. It looks really good. So yeah, let's taste it right now. This one. It's hot. It's good. Yeah. It's unbelievable. I just got 10 out of 10. It's unbelievable. I give it a 10 out of 10 because it's so unbelievable. Try this at home. It's so good. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And thank you for the 52 subscribers. Bye.